stand out, but boy, I like it. I like it. I like it. No matter how much.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my messy room, my messy hair. Today we are going to talk about how I have no idea what I'm going to talk about. We're going to talk about how I come up with my YouTube videos. So, as I said right now, I don't have a topic, so I'm going to talk about how I do it. So, like, I was just saying now, and I was saying I have no idea what I can do for a YouTube video. So you know what I decided to do? A video about how I come up with doing YouTube videos. I sit and I could like just be watching television or being on my phone, and just like that, topics will like came to my head, or my friends will like give me topics, or go on YouTube and see topics that people do and try to like see if I know any like particular thing that I want to do about in a video. Yeah, how I edit my videos, I use either Viva Video or video editor for YouTube. Clearly I can see that my camera quality is like very like not the best, so I use my phone to record and I edit on my phone or on my tablet. I have to get a camera and a laptop, but I can take a while, so you can take where you get them. So yeah. What else? How are y'all having? How is vacation going for y'all? If you're on vacation, I would think you're on vacation. What else? What else? I told you guys I have no idea what I'm gonna do in this YouTube video today, so I'm improvising. So questions that I asked you guys, y'all are gonna comment below and answer them. Just kidding, you don't have to, but I can just ask questions. I like say what came in my head and I would say it. I don't know. How my summer is going? My summer is going pretty decent. Alright. Okay. I need to do my hair. I need to fix my hair. Yes, I need to fix my hair. What else? I could fix my hair and do the video. Ooh, that's a good idea. We have Eco Styler. We have a brush. We have something of a brush because it's, I ain't gonna show none of that. Alright, we can test some Eco. I only on the front though because shoot, I have no water. Whatever. So we can put the Eco all here. Do that and do that. Put it over here and do that and do that. Should really get water. I don't know. Looking for water, came back. We back and we got water. Cause I went for water. So alright, hold on. We can take brush now. And we can brush up all there. All over here. See? Yeah, alright. Hey, water now. I'm gonna spray on back here. Then I told you guys all my Talia thing was gone, so I had to buy can too. Coconut curling cream. I could just put like a little bit, like this much, and like rub it up in my hand, and then I take my diamond brush and I comb. Shoot. You like the best. You like the best. But I'm going to waste, so you understand. I got a face right there. We can get more equal. Spray water. It's gonna equal there. The equal is gonna hold that baby. And then I'm gonna get another brush. And just, you know, swoop that up. That's like my go-to hairstyle since my hair's still kind of short. This puff now I can left this part this is. Then I can get my toothbrush and I'm gonna do my edges. Now bear in mind, I don't really do edges, but we'll see. We will see. See that piece that's still coming out? It's still. I gotta get a hairpin. I got a hairpin on. Put that up. Oh man, I can't get edges done. Nah, I had a. On the hairpin or hair clip, whatever you guys call it, bobby pin, whatever, and put that right there. As I said, I'm not going anywhere, so yeah. Brush that up. I don't know what I'm doing here, so don't judge. I think just bring that on so and then do that. That's it. I don't know. I know let me say is bring this out and put that in there. And then tap this up and put that in there. Wanna see? You see? Alright. So my hair kinda done. Kinda. But it ain't done, but it done. You understand? Now I can get my do-rag. I can take the do-rag now. And I can like fold it like so. I can fold it like this here. And put it on here. And lay. That's what you say. Lay the edges at the top of my hair. So yeah, that's that. Then now we're gonna do exfoliate. We're gonna be using big words, right? Exfoliate. The X had it. Nah, that's corny. That's corny. Let me shut up. Alright, since I'm lazy and I don't feel like getting up for water, we can take my sand spray bottle, put like this in my hand. Then I have two things. This one or this one? This one or this one? I can use this one. Cause why not, right? I should use this one. The scrub. Let me alter the scrubs, you know, but I don't know which one to use. I can use this one. So this is Relax, because I don't know. Get to it a little bit. A squab. Got the forehead. And I left this on for like 5 minutes. 5 or 6, 5 to 7, whatever. And we gonna talk. So give me a minute. So that was that. And now we gonna talk. So now let my hair do and my face, you know, getting, you know. We're gonna talk about I forget. This is still a video. This is still a video about how I don't know what to do about this video. What? This is a video about I don't know what to do in this video. Right. So we can sit here and we can think. Comment down below and give me some ideas to do in videos because I'm bad at ideas. Nah, I good at ideas, but still bad at ideas at the same time. So yes, this is the video that y'all going to see this week. Like it or not, this is all I have. So we're going to take it. So my face is in kind of sort of. Y'all enjoying this now? You can put oil in my hair. You're doing everything in this video. Yeah, then I get that some in my hand. I got that much in my hand. Again, rub it in. Put it on. Put it on. Pat it on. Now we can go wash off my face and come back. So we back and my face is washed, and then we're gonna take off the rag. Business but hair still looks stink, but better than before. And yeah, so we are done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what y'all want me to do in the next video, because I do not know what to do in this one. I look cute. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're new, my name is Rashawna. I'm from Barbados. And what else? Hi.